today we now to see the next topic, capacitor. Okay, so this is the capacitor. So it is a two-terminal electrical device. Okay, it is a two-terminal electrical device that can store energy in the form of electric charge. So it is a store energy in the form of electric charge. So it consists of two electrical conductors that are separated by a distance. Okay, so the space in between the conductors may be filled by vacuum, glass, paper, air, and known as a dielectric. So it is a dielectric. So it is the main purpose. It is to store energy in the form of electrical charge. Okay, so the basic formula for covering the capacitor charge, Q is equal to C into V. Q is equal to C into V. Here Q refers electric charge and C is the capacitor and V is the voltage. Okay. Next one. So C refers to the capacitance and then Q refers to the equal charge that we measure in coulombs and V refers to the voltage that we measure in volts. Okay, so the capacitor there are two types, series and the parallel. So what is meant by series? Series means when two or more capacitors are connected one after another such that the same charge gets generated. Okay, same charge gets generated and all of them is called the capacitor in series. So its formula 1 by Cs is equal to 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2 plus 1 divided by C3 and etc. 1 divided by Cn. It is the formula for capacitor in series. So this is the capacitor. It is the main purpose. It is the storing energy in the electric charge. Storing energy in the electric charge. This is the main. So this is the practical way. Already we have to know breadboard how they have to connect it. Okay, in breadboard already we have to two ways we have to connect it. What is the two ways? Standing line and then sleeping line already we have to study now. So this is the resistor, LED bulb and then capacitor. Okay, capacitor, LED bulb and then resistor and then one battery is enough for in the practical class. Okay, so we have to connect the battery on the positive we have to connect it with the resistor. So resistor on the next end we have to connect it with the capacitor. So in capacitor on the next end we have to connect it with the LED bulb. Okay, LED bulb and next end we have to connect it with the battery negative. So this is we have to connect the connected here. Okay, so then we have to take the circuit diagram. This is a very important one. Then we have to connect it. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram. Now, first way how they have to connect it in the circuit diagram. So, in already we have to know symbols resistor, capacitor and battery. Okay, so resistor or a formula V is equal to IR, capacitor formula V is equal to Q by C and then battery. So, in between gap, capacitor and the battery in between gap we have to connect the bulb. One LED bulb we have to connect it. Okay, so first we have to join the battery or a positive one end they have to connect it with the resistor or next end we have to connect it with the capacitor or next end we have to connect it with battery or a negative charge. Okay, negative charge you have to connect it with the capacitor. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram is made. Okay, how to see the circuit diagram, then you have to connect it with the practical class. Okay, we have to do the practical. So this is the main circuit diagram. Then we have to connect it with the. We have to take the class and then we have to connect it. First we have to connect it with resistor. One end we have, yes. We have to connect the resistor. Very good. So in here no connection adanaala connection varadhu illaya. Adanaala first we have to connect the resistor, then capacitor one end joined here, another end we have to connect it here. Okay, so resistor connect and then we have to connect LED bulb. In the leg we have to connect it there. Now we have to connect a battery. Battery or positive and negative we have to connect. Here we have to connect the battery or positive, and here we have to connect the battery or negative side. Very good, very good. First thing is the battery or negative. அது ஒரு சைடு நீ இல்லைன்னா அவளை செய்கிற மாதிரி காமிங்க புரிஞ்சிச்சா எரியுது என்ன